In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then let's open up some Instagram account. From here, I can block that account. So first I'll show you how to block account. That's very easy. Just tap here at three dots icon and then select block. There you can select between two options. The first is block that account and new accounts they may create, or just block that account. I'll select the second one and then tap on block. So now that account is blocked for me, and now if I want to unblock that account, all I have to do is open up that account's profile and here just tap add unblock and then confirm it. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.